What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a gear shift panel light that's not working right now. Now this case you can see my one is working, but that's not suited for the entire color scheme. So I'm going to replace the bulb with a LED one. Also contact issues can be another reason for this. Anyway, let's get started. All you need is a 2 screwdrivers and a 10 size wrench if necessary. First remove the coin case. Now the rubber boot and this trim panel. You can even do that by using your bare hands, just like this. Now disconnect the cigarette lighter. Now we have to remove the semi console. You can see there are two nails right here to unscrew. Let's unscrew them. Another two nails right behind. Let's get access for them by removing this panel. Well, we need the wrench now. Now our semi console was ready to remove, and there you go. So you can see now we can remove the holder by rotate anti-clockwise. When removing, use clean gloves for this time. You can simply replace with a new bulb. But if you want to install with LEDs, well, you got a little problem right here. Let me show you. Here I got two LEDs for a demonstration. First one was straight beamed and second one was had an even beam. Let's check both to see what's the better one. Before installing a new bulb, look at this holder. That halogen dude almost fried this. Alright, let's check this working or not. If this did not work, just swipe the side and try because LEDs only work for right polarities. Oh, beautiful. Let's see what's going on with the panel. You can see the beam was not even at all. Let's switch for the another one. Well, that's even. Alright, half of the work done. Let's put these things back together. Again, we have to install the semi-console back. Now these two nuts back on. and install the cover. And there are two nails left right here. Connect the cigarette lighter. Reinstall the coin case and the rubber boot. Anyway guys, that's how we fix this problem. Hope this video helpful and thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, be consider to be a subscriber. If you have any problem, comment below and take care.